Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nancy and Apron, and welcome to my kitchen. Taco Tuesday again. Right, again. Do you ever get tired of having tacos? I know there's taco salad, there's tacos, there's burritos, enchiladas, tons of things. But how about if we do taco spaghetti? Come on. Here I have a pound of ground beef that I'm just browning. I'm almost finished with that. Y'all know how to cook ground beef, I suppose. You just throw it into your pan and put it on about a medium heat. Fry it up until it's done. Then we're going to drain the grease off of it. So we're going to finish cooking this, and then we'll be right back. Oh, I did also go ahead and get some garlic bread ready. It's just bread, some butter spread on it, some garlic powder. I'm going to toast this in the oven after our taco spaghetti is ready. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I hope you will. Give me a thumbs up if you like the content. Click the subscribe, click the notification bell. Be sure and click all so that you'll know every time we put new content on. My understanding is some folks are telling us that they did have the notifications on, and for some reason the YouTube channel, the YouTube itself, is turning that notification off. So please do check if you're subscribed. If you're not, then please do subscribe. This is going to be our toppings. I've just got some, the top of some green onions diced up, and we're going to put lime on it. It's tacos. Don't you like lime on tacos? If you haven't tried it yet, you really should. Now, over here, I've got some other stuff. This is the Ortega mild taco sauce. This is some lime. I've got some cilantro in here, the dehydrated cilantro. Some of the onions. I've got 3 cloves of garlic that I pressed. Here is the black beans that I've rinsed. Then this, I'm going to use this instead of tomatoes or salsa. If Tom wants to add salsa to his, he can. I don't like canned tomatoes much for anything. Honestly, I only like fresh tomatoes. But I don't want to put tomatoes in this. I want to use this. You'll see. And then I've got my taco seasoning. And I'm going to put 2 tablespoons or 3, it depends, in this hamburger. But I'm going to go ahead and get all this cooked up. And then after I get all my stuff added into the hamburger, we're going to remove it from the pan. And then we're going to put the spaghetti in and cook it. I'm going to show y'all what I'm doing. And I credit Miss Julia for this. I believe her last name is pronounced Pachinko. I hope so, but we'll put a link. She said her mom showed her this. Put that paper towel in there and let it absorb all that liquid. I like that. I like that a lot. Now I'm going to turn my heat down just a little bit. It's starting to pop out on me. I ain't liking all that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and put in 2 tablespoons of my taco seasoning, and we'll see if that's enough. It should be. Let me get this stirred up. Now, I'm going to put, that's a 1/3 cup. Actually, 1/3 cup of that sauce and 1/3 cup of water in. I'll put my mess. And we're going to get this stirred in real good. And then next I'm going to go ahead and add in my green onions. They don't have to cook as long as the regular onions do, so that's why I'm putting them in now instead of in the beginning. But go ahead and scrape all that in there. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the juice of half of the lime. You can even put you some lime zest in there if you want to, y'all. Boy, it smells good. But we know how much I enjoy the flavor of lime. So let's get this stirred around. Ooh, that smells so good. I'm just going to let it cook just long enough to soften up those onions. And I'm also going to go ahead and add about that's about a tablespoon of this tomato bouillon powder. And I'm going to go ahead and put my beans in there. That is black beans that I rinsed. It's half a cup of them. Rinsed them, drained them. Put the rest of them in a container and put them in the freezer. We're just going to stir up. Ooh, this smells so good. You know what though? I'm pretty sure I am going to add one more tablespoon of the taco seasoning. We'll see in a minute. But boy, that sure smells good. Yeah. Let me clear some stuff out of the way. Oh, also I did salt that just to taste. You put it to whatever your taste buds like. You put that salt in there with that hamburger as you're browning it. Alright, now let me get a bowl to put our meat in. And then I'm going to put some hot water in here and we're going to get this spaghetti cooking. There we go. Okay, y'all know I have a taste test coming, right? Well, let's do this. All right. You can top this with salsa, some cheese. I've got cheese. I'm going to put a little cheese on top of mine. So, yeah, let's see. Let's see what taco. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you like taco spaghetti?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, look at that. Look at that plate there. A little lime juice on it. Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all. Now, time to fix my plate. I did use gluten-free pasta, but obviously you use whatever pasta you want to use. Some green onion, some cheese. I'm just putting Colby cheese on mine because that's what we have. Yeah, let's go ahead and squeeze just a little bit of that lime juice on there. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. And I have my bread. Oh my goodness. Wow. Yeah, that's great. Completely new twist on Taco Tuesday. Taco Spaghetti Tuesday. Eat up, y'all.